Hey everyone, Health Juggernaut here. Today I want to go over a quick post-workout ketogenic meal. This morning I worked bis and lats at the gym, resistance training. I was in there for about an hour. I hit it hard and got out. Just got home. It's about 11:30. Now I want to go ahead and get a little bit of protein into my body right away so my body can use it to rebuild those muscles. But I don't want to take in too many calories now, and I don't want it to spike my insulin too much. So I want to get a nice meal with some protein and some fat, low carbs, and be able to move about my day. So what I'm going to make for this meal is one 5-ounce grass-fed burger patty, 1 ounce of real American cheddar cheese, and 1 pasture-raised egg cooked sunny side up. I like this meal because it's quick and easy, it's not too many calories, and it tastes amazing. To cook the egg, I put 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold real butter in a pan, and I set the heat on 4, which is very low because I don't like to heat up my butter. I want this pan to be just warm enough to cook my eggs sunny side up. I cook my burger until it's just done and put the cheese on at the last minute. So taking a look at the calories, we've got a half a tablespoon of butter because really half of it got left in the pan, so that's about 51 calories. 1 egg is going to be about 87 calories. 5 ounces of burger is going to be about 303 calories. And 1 ounce of cheddar cheese is going to be 114.5 calories, for a total of 556 calories. Taking a quick look at the macros, you can see our protein is at 39.3%. Our fat is at 59.7%, and our carbs is a whoppingly low 1.1%. So I like this ratio of fat and protein. It's a little high on the protein, but protein doesn't really spike your insulin that much. It's a great amount of fat. This meal is going to hold you off probably till dinner time, and it won't fill you up. Taking a look at the protein, you can see this meal had 51.3 grams of protein. Now I'm trying to put on muscle, so I'm going to eat 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. I weigh 175 pounds, that's 175 grams of protein. So that leaves me 124 grams to eat for dinner. That'll be enough to cook a nice big steak, maybe a little liver mixed in with it, some fat on the side, and a big bowl of broccoli and mixed vegetables. That's it for this meal. Thanks for watching. Health Juggernaut out.